in, baby. We made it in. Oh, look, look. I found a straggler.
You made it.
We made it.
You and I are the last ones. Everybody's on board.
Oh, man.
And you know what I heard? I heard that you're always waiting for Ogida, for Big Mama. Today we're waiting for you, brother. Let's go.
No, it's not good. It's not good. It's not a good thing.
Hey, guess what I got?
What you got?
This is why I had to wait for you. I got your passport.
Oh, damn. Okay. Everybody was waiting for me. That's so nice. That is so nice. Everybody was waiting for me. Everybody. Everybody. You waiting for me too?
Yes.
I thought they were on the boat getting suntans, eating croissant, baguettes, all kinds of stuff, but they decided to wait in the lobby.
She's on the 3rd floor.
That's some real loyalty right there.
So, wow. Not fair. Uh-oh, here it goes.
Oh, you know what? The premiere catches. Uh-oh, check out this tunnel.
Uh-oh, where's
We should
going?
run through it. Go, go, run through it. Ah! Oh, look to your right, look to your right.
Oh, look, that's the shipper. That's a shipper. Hey, this reminds me when the kids were small. Remember?
That is your workout.
Lo vamos, lo fuimos.
Let's go, Mika, you can do it.
5 days of jodera.com. 5 days. Woo. We here. We here. Woo. Welcome aboard.
The music's playing.
The night train. Oh man.
Oh, I see it on the face.
Uh-oh. 3rd floor? Oh. Hello. We made it. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out.
That's ours now?
Yes.
Get out of my room, bro.
Let's check it out.
Baby, I choose the window.
Check it out. Let's check it.
Go get the window of the couch.
Check it out. Check it out.
Ah, no, yo no quiero la
Check it out.
cama de domingo le digo.
There it goes. Check it out. Woo! Check out the rooms. Check out the balcony view. Check it out the balcony view, guys. We chilling. At least we're right next to the skate boats. Check it out. Right here, boy. Look at the beautiful view. Right here is us. Right here. It's us for the week. Look at this. We're at the best spot of the boat right here, guys. Look, look. Look, I found 2 stragglers. Oh, another straggler. Look, we found the best spot. Woo. Yes. Look at her. You eating too? Now you're on a diet. Y mira, mira, mira quién está aquí en el crucero. Cruceando. Ya con el vasito, está cruceando con el vasito. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. That's it. This is the best part of the cruise right here. Look at this, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh boy. I'm gonna gain about 20 pounds. Look at her.
Yep.
Oh boy, look at that. What happened to your diet?
Protein, baby.
Look at this. She got that, I got this. Don't matter, right? Woo. Look at them all. Look, 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 look. That's why they like coming to the cruise. Because they can raid the bars of food. Look at me. I'm on a diet. I'm not gonna lie. To me, this is the best part of the cruise. You can eat anytime, anything, whenever you want. You gotta do it. Love it. Love it. All kinds of stuff. Look at them pigs. You got pig 1, pig 2, pig 3, and the biggest one of all right there.
Wow. Hey, we're not even on 30 minutes and I already had 17 ice cream scoops.
Yeah.
Dios mío.
Where's your ice cream?
Voy al gimnasio. Ay, va para el gimnasio. Vamos, acompáñame Fresco para el gimnasio, please.
Wait a minute. I have never seen Alfred with such a little camera in my life. What is that?
Bro, listen, I'm gonna be on this cruise all day, bro. Imagine me, I'm actually off, guys. I'm not really working.
Look at this.
What's going on,
Look
Oyster?
at this. Look.
Hey.
Like a tiny thing. So you ready for this? Oh,
Wait for it!
hey, look at these ladies,
Yeah,
man.
pero
Look at
esto,
these ladies.
ya empezando. We haven't even left.
Mira, esta semana se han visto una fiesta, ahora la hacen aquí a los enamorados, amiguitas, que se llama era ella con 8 muchachitas más ahí, ella decoró, ella cocinó, ella preparó todo. Eran de la primaria, te digo, pero que claro, uno tiene que pensar en hacer esto, pero si a uno le da no piden ni alcohol, pero eran pero le da una leche a una bohemia y ya
Esa velocidad es para allá. Va. Well guys, we're super excited because I have my whole family here and friends and fans, and also Alfred Montaner has his family here. And our voyage begins from Port Everglades, Fort Lauderdale, and we're gonna head down south towards the Florida Keys to the tip of Key West, reaching there on Wednesday morning. So we're gonna spend tonight and tomorrow at sea. But on Thursday, we're gonna arrive at Bimini, Bahamas. So this is gonna be our first day on the cruise, baby, on the whiskey throttle. Look at Big Mama. She getting drunk. She getting drunk without water. So am I.
Look at the boats. They're going in front of the...
So we just departed from Fort Lauderdale, Port Everglades, and now we're gonna head towards Key West. But we're gonna be traveling really low speeds, so it takes us a day to go down, you know, to Key West, because we're supposed to arrive at Key West Tuesday. No, not Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's gonna be 1 day in the water. So let's go with the Whiskey Throttle show, baby.
El gasito se pone a tirar eso.
Sí.
How many are you? Local? How many? 16. That was horrible. Thank you so much.
get it.
Look at her. Look at her. They got the pictures of their men on the bases. Look.
Woo!
What we
Okay,
doing?
I'm gonna tell you, it's a private function, obviously, with Alfred and Fresco Channel, and we're gonna meet and greet everybody who came. It's gonna be a little cocktail meet and greet hour. Let's go.
Go check it out. Oh, look at that. We got a full bar open up, right? All you can drink. Oh, and then we got a DJ booth and everything. And we got a mic. Check it out. Dance floor. Woo. Check it out. We're going to be dancing tomorrow.
Hey, your shirt's glowing.
Oh, that's cool.
I like it. So check it out, guys. We're here early, and you're gonna see in about 10-15 minutes the difference.
Let's go with the show, baby. Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is going on in
Oh, look at this. What we got in the house.
Oh,
Chilling. What's up,
whoa.
bro? How's everything?
Welcome.
Good to be here.
There we go.
You
Oh,
again?
man. This is the guy that cooks.
They let anyone
This
out.
guy's gonna make us a big giant barbecue.
You again?
Hey, look at this. The guy with the biggest camera here.
Bro, we gotta pat
Look
this
at
guy
this.
down.
Wait.
Let's pat him down.
Yeah, man. I don't trust you, man. What do you got?
Hey, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
I don't trust you.
Wow, this place is badass.
Yeah, man.
I love this.
This is awesome.
Guys, look at this area we're gonna have a private function in here.
Okay, so we just did the meet and greet. Whiskey Grotto was amazing. Thank everybody that showed up. And now we're gonna go for the best part of the day. Boo, baby! A comer. A comer. A comer. Yes, sir. The best part of the day right here. We got the man that cooks, that brings us the food. Look at that right there.
Oye, y el que no puede ver las letras. No veo nada, no trae los despedidos porque no creen que soy vieja y dime algo, dime dónde. Somos igual.
Hey, what are you trying to do? Start a fire?
Yeah, man.
Trying to start a fire?
I didn't see nothing, bro.
Let's go.
Look, I'm gonna order the whole menu. I'm not hungry. That's not fair.
Oh, you did it the wrong way. You gotta spin it.
Medium.
There you go.
Medium rare. Yo no quiero esto. Señor, how's the food?
I can't take a chance on a chick like you. Come on.
Okay guys, so this is day 1 out of 4 of the Whiskey Throttle cruise, and so far we're having a great time. And actually I'm really surprised to find so many different activities around the ship, because Celebrity Cruise Line, it is the upscale from Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, and so far, like you saw, I cannot complain about the food because it tastes really good. Because to me, something that's really important is the destination that the cruise is going plus the food. So those two are good, you got me. So I already tasted the food in Key West. West, I already been there, but never arrived through water. And then Bimini, well, that's gonna be a new experience for all of us. And the ship staff is very friendly and attentive. And well, after dinner, I was surprised to find this in the main lobby area or corridor. And it's pretty cool because most of the floors have balcony and you could see what was going on. And by the way, it looked like they were having elevator dancing competition, and definitely that was a first for me. But you know what it is, no surprise to me? Well, when we go on the cruise ship, what does Olguita do? She hits the gym. So for people don't believe me, but she actually goes on the cruise and works out. Look, she's been in here for an hour and I'm gone. But that's coming up in part 2, plus more fun and activities and food around the boat. So make sure to pay attention to your phone, computer, or laptop, because once I finish with the edit, I'm gonna upload them. So make sure to keep your eyes and ears open for that pop-up notification.